سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss why do we perform tawaf to the house of God. So let's start. In this video, we will discuss what should be my direction in life, in hereafter, and in worship. Why do we perform Salah in one direction? Why Kaaba is the direction of worship? Why do we circle the Kaaba? Why in anti-clockwise direction? And why 7 times? So we will cover these 6 questions in this video. So what should be my direction? It is mentioned in Quran chapter number 2 verse number 148 and 149. It says everyone has a direction to which he turns. So race to whatever is good. Wherever you are, God will bring you all together for judgment. Verse number 149 says, wherever you are, turn your face towards the sacred mosque, that is Kaaba. So in this verse, there are direction which is mentioned about this life, about hereafter, and about the worship. So the direction in life should be to do whatever is good. And in the hereafter, the direction for all of us will be to go towards God for judgment. That will be the direction in the hereafter. And in case of worship, as verse number 149 says, the direction of worship is to the house of God, to Kaaba, to the sacred mosque that is in Makkah. Why do we offer Salah in one direction? It is mentioned in Quran chapter number 23 verse number 52. It says, so God is one, God has only sent one religion. So we are one ummah, one community. So that is why we offer Salah in one direction. If ummah is one, the direction of worship cannot be two. So one ummah means we need to have one direction for worship so that there is no room for divide. Anything which can cause divide in our religion is not acceptable. As mentioned in Quran chapter number 3 verse number 103, it says, and hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether and do not become divided. Why Kaaba is the Qibla? Why Kaaba is the direction of worship? So there are 3 reasons. Firstly, it is mentioned in Quran chapter number 3 verse number 96. It says the first house established for mankind is the one at Bakka. Bakka is the old name of Makkah. This place is blessed and a guidance for all people. So the first reason is it is the first house of worship which is ever established for mankind. The second reason is mentioned in Quran chapter number 2 verse number 125. It says, and God said, and we entrusted Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam to purify my house. So Kaaba is referred from God as my house, means God's house. That is why it is the direction of worship. That is why it is the Qibla. And the third reason is mentioned in Quran chapter number 52 verse number 4. It talks about Baitul Mamur, the sacred house which is frequently visited. Baitul Mamur is located in the seventh heaven. So this is the heavenly Kaaba where angels perform tawaf. Every day, 70,000 angels, they perform tawaf and they leave and they never return. And this Baitul Mamur is located directly above the Kaaba. The next question is, why do we circle Kaaba? The reason for this is mentioned in Quran in chapter number 22, verse number 26. It says, God said, do not associate anything with me and purify my house for those who circle around this house. So, performing tawaf or circling the house of God, the Kaaba, is the command given from God Himself. So, it is a form of worship. That is why we perform tawaf around Kaaba. And there is additional information in this case that we know circle has only one center. Similarly, when we circle the Kaaba, we testify that we only believe in one God. Circle cannot have two centers. Similarly, God cannot be two. God is only one, as mentioned in several places in Quran, and one of them is chapter number 21, verse number 108, which says, your God is only one God. Why circle anti-clockwise? It is mentioned in Quran in several places to obey God and to obey the messenger. So Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam circled the Kaaba anti-clockwise. So we also follow him and do the tawaf in anti-clockwise direction. So this is the reason we circle anti-clockwise. And the additional information in this case is mentioned in Quran chapter number 21, verse number 33. It tells us about the moon, the earth, and the sun. All of them rotates in anti-clockwise direction around its own axis. Also, the moon revolves around earth in anti-clockwise direction. The earth revolves around sun in anti-clockwise direction. So the whole universe is sync in anti-clockwise direction. When we also perform tawaf in anti-clockwise direction, we are in sync with the whole universe. And there is some more additional information. That is, when we perform tawaf in anti-clockwise direction, our heart is more near to Kaaba because heart is on the left side. So it is better for spiritual experience. So the last question is, why 7 times? Again, as mentioned in Quran chapter 3, verse number 32, obey God and obey the messenger. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he performed 7 times and we follow him, and we also perform tawaf 7 times around Kaaba. Additional information in this case is, God has created 7 heavens as mentioned in Quran chapter number 2, verse number 29. And we also discussed about Baitul Mamur earlier in this video, that there is a heavenly Kaaba where angels perform tawaf. So when we perform tawaf on earth 7 times, each circle corresponds to one heaven spiritually. So 7 times when we perform the tawaf, it corresponds to 7 heavens, one circle for each heaven spiritually. With this, we have reached the end of our discussion. Thank you all for watching this video. Please take care till next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.